Ever wondered about the risks of pressure washing cedar shingles? Well, it's time to shed some light on this topic. Cedar shingles, being a natural material, are susceptible to water damage, particularly when subjected to high-pressure water. This makes pressure washing not the best choice for cleaning cedar shingles. So, what's the alternative? Soft washing, a gentler approach that effectively removes dirt, mold, and mildew without risking damage to your shingles. The process of soft washing involves applying a cleaning solution to the shingles, letting it soak in, and then rinsing it off with low-pressure water. Cedar shingles, with their natural beauty, can enhance the aesthetic of a home. But improper cleaning methods such as pressure washing can lead to lifted or cracked shingles, water seepage, or loss of protective wood oils. Contrastingly, soft washing combines low-pressure water with a specialized cleaning solution to gently remove grime and buildup. This method is safer and preserves the natural charm of the shingles. Soft washing extends the life of cedar shingles by eliminating harmful organisms like algae, mold, and mildew that can cause decay and premature aging. This method is particularly beneficial for homes in high humidity or shady areas where these organisms thrive. The cleaning solution used in soft washing is typically eco-friendly and biodegradable, posing no harm to the environment and landscape around. Furthermore, soft washing requires less water than pressure washing, making it a more sustainable choice. Pressure washing can lead to harmful runoff and excessive water usage, while soft washing minimizes water use, and the cleaning solution biodegrades naturally without harming the ecosystem. Finally, soft washing is safer for homeowners who aren't adept at handling pressure washing equipment. Pressure washing can pose a risk of injury or property damage if not used correctly. However, soft washing uses low-pressure equipment that's easier to control, reducing the risk of accidents. In summary, if you want to clean your cedar shingles while preserving their natural beauty and longevity, soft washing is your best bet. It's gentle, efficient, and helps protect your investment for years to come. Not only that, it's an environmentally friendly choice that conserves water and reduces ecological impact. And it's safer, making it a great option for homeowners who want to keep their home looking its best while also protecting it from potential harm. So, next time your cedar shingles need a clean, remember soft washing is the way to go.